Back again with a new unboxing video, and in this case actually an envelope opening video. This envelope is from MC Design Studio, or MC Studio Design, sorry, I'll make sure that everything is right in the links. They are a really cool Etsy shop, and they're also on Instagram. That's how I found them. I have a few brand partners that I work with that create things like ears. So there was a video where I mocked some ears. I have a really cool t-shirt company that I partner with that can help you do some family t-shirts if that's something that you're into for your vacation. And MC Studio Design, sorry, I will get that right by the end of the video. MC Studio Design. I found them on Instagram because they were doing really cool decals. A lot of really cool Disney decals, but also some Harry Potter stuff, so if you're going to Universal. And things like decals for your cell phone case, for water bottles. And one of the other really cool things is that they do decals for your magic band. So you can really sort of pimp out those magic bands and make them really cool. So I'm going to open this for the first time and see there's a little note. All right. Oh, very cool. She's got some application instructions for the decals. And Miriam is the woman that runs MC Studio Design. I don't know why that's a mouthful for me. And she's been really cool. This package actually got a little bit lost in the mail, and so she's been really cool. And it is finally here, and I'm very excited to see what she sent. And I asked her to surprise me to see what we have here. Oh wow, here's some really, oh, these are cool. So she sent me a bunch of little, we're big Star Wars fans in this house, if you can't tell. And she sent me some really cool Star Wars decals, and these could go on anything like your magic bands. Let me show you, this one's a little Yoda. And we've got a Darth Vader. Look! The claw. A little alien there, Toy Story Land. Here's a Mickey with a love. Two different colors there of that. These are really cool. And a Buzz Lightyear. So we're very excited. We're actually going back to Disney for Epcot Food and Wine, but we're going to try to sneak in super early. Hopefully there's still going on the extra magic hours for Toy Story Land, and really try to get on Stinky Dog Dash because we weren't able to do that on our last visit. And then these are some bigger decals. Wow, Miriam, you're so great. She sent me a ton of stuff. These are really awesome. I want to keep them all, but maybe I can do a really cool giveaway with you guys because there's a lot of awesome stuff here. A bigger one of that love, that Mickey love. Some Mickey ears. There's a Star Wars love. A mini Jedi. I'm not going to show you all of these, but they are really, oh, for my Tink fans, let's look at this Tinkerbell. That's really awesome. So these could go on your cell phone case. They could go on a water bottle. Oh, Mr. Incredible. We should put that, I should put that on my husband's water bottle. So one of my tips for all of my my folks that book Disney World is to bring a stainless steel water bottle into the park, because if you buy bottled water at any of the quick service, they're like, oh gosh, I don't even know because I don't buy it. It's like $2-3 for a bottle of Dasani water, but they'll give you a cup of ice water for free if you ask them. They don't advertise it. And so we always bring our stainless steel water bottles, and I suggest stainless steel because the first year my husband brought like a plastic one, and they just got hot way too fast. Like the water was like really warm. And in the stainless steel, you get ice water, and the ice will last you a really long time. They do a really good job of keeping everything cold. So these would be, oh my God, adventures out there. I love Up. Up is probably my favorite Pixar movie. And Rapunzel is my favorite princess. These would be great on water bottles. Oh, I saw this design on her website. How awesome is that? I love the ears in the castle. So these are really cool. I think I'm gonna, because there's so many, I'm gonna have to decide. This could be really hard, but I think I'm gonna do a little giveaway with you guys. I'm not exactly sure what that would look like yet. But these are really cool, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. Like I said, Miriam is her studio, her shop is MC's Studio Design. I will put that in the links below because for some reason, it's a mouthful for me. But she's got great stuff, and check her out. She gives you a discount if you're one of my clients. So if you're one of my clients, you would have gotten an email already with that information. But if you lost that email, reach out to me. And as always, if you're interested in booking, all of my contact information is in the links below, along with my social media. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date. And I will see you real soon, and have a magical day.